What's up, you guys? Cdl.Herrera, and we are back with a new video and a new truck. Come on, we started at a different company. I was working at another company, like probably like a week ago. I was working at another company, but the reason why I left that company and I did not report on that company was because I was leaving. I was leaving it because I was waiting to get into this job, and it was the same thing, container work, you know. And now I'm doing dry van, and supposedly later on I'm gonna be hauling a flatbed. But right now we're driving a Peterbilt, a 379 2007 long hood Peterbilt, and we be hauling on this company. We be hauling hazmat. Cause your boy got that hazmat and tankers. Come on, let's get it. Let's get this money. On Monday, I had went to Beaumont to go load up some. It was oil. It was non-regulated though. It was like it was that Mobile 6 oil for the cars, you know. So it was drums and some boxes. And I took that load. It went to Arkansas, on West Memphis, Arkansas. And I went to go ahead and go to Helene, Arkansas. And I went to go ahead and load up some Placard 5.2. It was like some acids though. Damn. It was like acid, and that's where I picked up, and I brought it all the way over here to Odessa, Texas. Some light, you know. I unloaded here at Odessa, and right now this video is about me going to New Mexico. I'm gonna go ahead and go to, like, it looks like an airport, if I'm not mistakenly. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm driving this truck like a 13 speed because I honestly don't need 18 gears. I don't be hauling that heavy. So this truck has a Cummins ISX, by the way. So yeah, we are on our way right now to New Mexico. We're over here on Highway 338, I think. I never gone this route. I haven't been to New Mexico in a long ass time. I'm not even gonna lie. I think the last time I came through New Mexico was because I was going to Las Vegas. So I had to pass through Las Cruces and all that, you know. But I'm not even gonna lie, I haven't been over here in a badass minute. And if you see me grinding, bro, like literally I'm still trying to get the hang of this truck. Like, I mean, yeah, most of the gears, they could go in smoothly, but I'm barely driving this truck. Like, I barely started this week on Monday. Bro, I literally thought they were gonna put me on a T680, like a silver one. But I talked to the guy there at the shop, and they were like, no, you're gonna be driving that monster. I'll show you a video whenever I get to the location of the truck outside, but this the inside. It looks pretty clean, you know. I'm trying to keep it like pretty clean inside as well, and it's very spacious as well. So hey, but this motherfucker hauls the ass, bro. You know? Puta madre. I'm not even gonna like. I'm gonna take advantage of these vlogs, bro. They're gonna be badass, bro. Like, I'm gonna be going to different locations all the damn time, and like, for now, I'm done doing containers. I'm basically OTR. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm basically OTR, cause I went to Arkansas. I went to Odessa, and then I haven't even gone home. Normally I go one day out and then I go back home the next day, you know. But this whole week I haven't so far I haven't even gone home at all, you know. And right now I'm on my way to New Mexico to go load up some aircraft phone stuff. I don't know what that is, but it's my first time going over there. And come with me to go get some airplane stuff, or I don't know what it is, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the camera once I hit like open road and everything. That way I can see everything, you know what I'm saying? Let's hit this. Oh shit, I am going to an airport. It better be the right address, bro, cause fuck, what the fuck? Am I in doing? Wrong address. Fuck. Oh, that's gonna be tweaky. A road closed half a mile ahead. No te pases de verga, wey. Air tanker base. What? I don't know. I'm gonna go check in, bro. What the fuck? It don't look like it's here, bro. Oh, better. It's probably on the other side. Monday? Oh no, nah. Yeah, I talked to a lady and she helped me set it up y todo. No me hizo de pedo. Surprisingly, no me hizo de pedo. Shit. Going to Tennessee. Sheesh. Está bien caliente para acá. Acá. Oh, está fácil, never mind. Easy. I think I gotta put my access to the back. I think. I'm not too sure. No me dijeron nada. Yeah. O a lo mejor no. A ver, vamos a. Let's go ask. estoy, estoy chueco. No mames. Espera. Oh no, I'm good. We're already backed up. It was hard to find this spot. I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of lost. I was like somewhere over there, but we're finally here at the location where I'm supposed to pick up. And by the way, this is the truck I'm driving. This is a long nose Peterbilt, a 379 2007 with a Cummins ISX motor. Yeah, it's pretty big. This bitch is badass. I think those stacks, I really thought they were 8-inch, but they're like a 10-inch. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. Cause they're like, look, that's crazy work. Just get it. Say, I wanted them to take longer, cut the sleep. Yeah. Que aquí no hay para parquear. 7 hours that I could drive. I only got 7 hours. De manejo. Was on my clock that I have left. Yeah. No me dieron save o qué? ¿Cómo así, güey? ¿Mande? Sí. I'm gonna drive all of them. All of it. Y me voy a ir a dormir después. En the off ramp or something. Hey, ¿qué ruta me voy? Porque me está diciendo que me vaya por Oklahoma City. Roswell. Está bien caliente. Fuck. Oh. Oh, see you. But I'm not even gonna make that much damage today, bro, cause on my clock only got like 6 hours. Yeah. God damn, this bitch is steep, bro. What the freak? I'm not even gonna go through construction site over there. Me vine por acá por el 20, güey. that thing is steep. Pecos River. Pecos. No, I said Pecos, not Mecos. Ah, coma mierda. Holy fuck, this bitch is steep, bro. Alright, vamos a ver. This shit climbs because I'm empty, bro. Oh yeah. Left lane ends. Ay. No, for real. No, we zooming. Not really zooming, but we zoom. Boy's gonna get an extra $100. We are over here at Post, Texas. Man, I didn't even know this place existed over here in Texas. God damn. I've been hauling ass ever since I left New Mexico. Low-key kind of tired. I'm not gonna lie. Like I've been running like crazy. Like, bro, look at all that. That looks badass. Look at all that, bro. I'm not used to these kind of views. It's late, bro. Bro, I can literally stay at that park at the truck stop, bro. But I could go straight to the bus terminal, bro. Para que no me digan nada de mamá, güey, que chingados, no estás aquí. Fuck you. Ew. No, dude, I can't see it right now. I'm driving, bro. I'm in the streets right now, bro. No me quiero meter en los nochos, so. What's up, you guys? So I made it over here at Tennessee, at Memphis, Tennessee. I'm gonna go ahead and spend the night here. I talked to a security, and I was parked over there at the very front, but she was like, "You're probably gonna be blocking traffic." She was pretty nice about it too, and she told me to just come park over here at the very back of the warehouse. So that's where I'm at right now, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna go ahead and go over there to the very front, probably like around 6:30, 7 a.m. I'll see what time they open. That way I can go ahead and check in and get unloaded. Because after that, I'm gonna go ahead and probably do another video as well. But I'm gonna be going to Arkansas, Helena, Arkansas. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and load up at a warehouse. I forgot what the name of the warehouse is, but I'm gonna load up some hazmat, and then that load is going to Odessa. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spend the night here. I'm gonna call some Uber Eats because I haven't ate all day. I ate in the morning, but that was like early, you know. And I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this soccer game, Mexico versus Korea. See, I don't want to get copyrighted, but yeah, it barely started and it's 5 minutes in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and yeah, I'll catch you in the morning. Peace. What's up, you guys? So we're finally unloaded, and now we're gonna go ahead and pull forward, close the doors, and head out to Arkansas. Nah. Alright, we're gonna go to close the doors, and we're gonna head out to Arkansas. It's like about a drive, an hour and 30-minute drive. Not too shabby. It's out there in the wilderness. That was easy. I kind of struggle a little bit to park. I'm still, like, to this day, I'm still trying to get the hang of me parking this big ass truck. Like, I'm not used to it. Like, I'm so used to, like, my truck, that red Freightliner. I was so used to it. Like, I'll literally park in the first try. This one, it gave me like a couple tries just because of the turning radius. I'm still not used to it, but I'll get the hang of it, you know. It's not too serious. All right, guys, if you did like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, because I'll be posting more videos right now, and then you're gonna be seeing me driving this Peterbilt, this long nose Peterbilt. So if y'all want to stay tuned to the next video, which is I'm going to Arkansas, Helena, Arkansas, then please leave a like and share with your family or friends. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.